Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word suburbanized. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After many new developments were built in the area, the once rural town became suburbanized. Suburbanized describes the transformation or development of an area from rural or urban to a suburb characterized by residential neighborhoods and commercial centers. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.